based on the award-winning Volkswagen MQB platform. We have long spoken of the flexibility of that architecture, and today I'd like to present a world premiere that takes the MQB to a new all-American extreme. Now we are talking, right? Now we are talking. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the Atlas Tanoak pickup truck. The Atlas Tanoak is a dual-cab mid-size unibody pickup that draws from the strong heritage of pickups in the United States, while being more of a lifestyle utility vehicle. It has a bold and exciting design that is also very practical. Based on an extended wheelbase Atlas, the Tanoak is the largest vehicle so far on the MQB platform. The truck is 214 inches long, 80 inches wide, and nearly 73 inches high. The wheelbase is 11 inches longer than the Atlas, and it's more than a foot longer overall. It's huge. The Atlas Tanoak has a double cab with seating for 5, as well as a bed that is big enough to accommodate ATVs or even dirt bikes. To tell you more about this design of this exciting pickup concept, I would now like to ask Klaus Bischoff, head of Volkswagen Design, to come on stage. Please, Klaus.
Thank you, Henry. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm truly excited to introduce the most American Volkswagen ever. American car design has created many originals, and it's really fascinating to deep dive into the heart of the American dream, the pickup truck. The pickup truck stands for everything the land of opportunity is all about. It's a multi-functional tool that enables you to go anywhere and do anything. It's a supreme embodiment of American automotive manufacturing. The Tanoak is our tribute to this American icon. A genuine Volkswagen, this car has an authentic character that is all about function. It fulfills all requirements for an American pickup truck, but brings German precision. The Tanoak unites archetypical proportions and the advantages of our SUV platform. This car is heavy duty, yet has the design details of an upscale sedan. The daylight signature lighting seamlessly continues through the bars of the grille and gives the Tanoak a unique appearance. The continuous light signature is also featured in the tailgate to leave a remarkable, unforgettable impression. But most of all, the Tanoak is about usability. The pleasure